This is a U-Drop-In Cafe and Visitor Center. And this is the Conoco Tower gas station. And it's only Conoco gas pumps. I wish I could get farther away from this building to get a better shot of it. But this is a cool place to stop. Conoco gas station in Shamrock, Texas. And I guess if you see this guy, turn him in. Across the street is the Western Motel. That motel looks like it's been there a while. Well, we're gonna go to the other side of Shamrock, Texas and get some gas. And I think Texas is about done for the day. I think we're right across the border from Oklahoma. So we will check in with you guys later.